Right, here we have a house that has been laser scanned on the inside and the outside. The inside was taken with the BLK2GO SLAM scanner, and we started at the bottom here and went up, slicing every couple of feet, and so you could see that's like a CAT scan of the house from the bottom to top. Now, this is the outside of the house as we walk around or fly around from above. You can see every one of those dots is a scan location, and every one of the lines is a link that links the two scan locations together. And now we're going to fly through the neighborhood from above so you can see those, where those scan locations are. Those are taken with a 30-foot tripod at about 8 to 10 foot intervals. And then the whole perimeter of the house was taken from the street. So the outside was a lot brighter. The inside is a little bit darker. So you can see there are dots, on the inside, and the inside is populated, but the outside is dominant in terms of visual, just because they're so much brighter. This is a 360-degree photo taken with the BLK360 Gen 2. And then we're going to go up a little higher. Each one of these was taken at a progressively higher position on the tripod. And then we'll take one more that goes up really high. And this is what allowed us to capture the roof and, the tops of the trees. So we got a complete elevation profile of the entire property.